It's time to wire up our indoor unit, so let's revisit the back side of the unit here. And we have power cables that we're going to use, and these cables have 4 wires encased within them. And what we're going to do is go to where the wires actually connect to the indoor unit. And you don't see it here, but there is a diagram present there that's visible that shows you which wire goes where. Now the green is the ground, and then we've got to match up our black, white, and reds with where those wires are going to connect to in the compressor, which is shown right here. Now, let me give you a tilted view of this compressor level wiring, and we see that the black goes to L1, the white goes to L2, and the red goes to 3 or B. So that's where we want to match up the wiring on the actual indoor unit as well. And you can see there the green wiring is for the ground. Anyone with minimal DIY skills can easily wire up the indoor units as well as wire up the compressors, but for a dedicated electrical connection from your household to your compressor, contact a professional electrician. Here we've got our port and we've got our bracket, and before we hang the indoor unit on the bracket, we need to thread the wiring through the port. So that's why we needed to connect the wiring on the indoor unit first. Then we're going to thread the cabling through the port here, as you see. And then once we do that, we'll connect it up on the compressor end. So here we are out to the compressor, and there's your 4-wire cabling. And that's cabling from another indoor unit. So we've got 2 sets of cables there, and we're going to connect them both to the compressor right here. And we obviously want to match up our L1, our L2, our B3, and we've done that. So we now have 3 indoor units wired up on this compressor.